Meaning of Frasier.
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 Frasier. Frasier is a television sitcom that aired from 1993 to 2004. The show revolves around the life of Dr. Frasier Crane, a psychiatrist who moves back to his hometown of Seattle after a divorce. He works as a radio host and is constantly surrounded by his quirky family and friends, leading to hilarious situations and heartfelt moments. Frasier has been praised for its witty scripts, strong performances, and endearing characters. The show has won multiple awards including 37 Primetime Emmy Awards, making it one of the most successful sitcoms in television history.